Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Verify game files every time problem. So first of all, head over to your File Explorer. Select this PC, and if you have downloaded, let's say Steam in your C drive, right click onto your C drive, select Properties. Now in here, go for Tools, and under Error Checking, select Check. Select Scan Drive. Now, it might take a while depending on how many files you have in your Steam. In my case, it is showing around 1 hour to 2 minutes, or any time that it's changing here. Now, once you have checked that, you're going to have to restart your device and see if it changes anything. Next, what you could do is launch your Steam, get logged into your account, select Steam from your top left-hand side, then select Settings. Now in here, select Storage, select three-dot icon. Now select Repair Library. Confirm your action. This might also take a while. Once this is done, restart your device, and then your problem will be fixed.